Question number 14 on application of percentages to real life situation reads: a trader bought an article for 350 naira and sold it for 340 naira. What is his percentage loss? Meaning, since he is selling it lesser than the actual cost price, it means he's going to have a loss. And how do we calculate percentage loss? So, the actual price, or let me call it the cost price, is said to be equal to 350 naira, while the selling price he sold it for 340 naira. Now we are asked to calculate his percentage loss. But first of all, what is the loss? He made a loss of, when you subtract, you have a loss of 10 naira. So therefore, percentage loss now is said to be equal to loss divided by the cost price times 100/1. So when you simplify this, it gives you the percentage loss. So that the percentage loss is equals to, let's substitute, loss is said to be 10 naira divided by the cost price, which is 350 naira, times 100/1. When you do this, it gives you the loss. 10 can divide, as well as 5. 5 into 35 is 7. 5 into 100 is 20. So that this is equal to 20 divided by 7. And 7 into itself is 1. 7 into 20 is said to be 2 times remainder 6. Yes. Add 0 to it and divide by 7. This gives you 8 times. 8 times 7 is 56. Remainder 4. Add 0 to it and divide by 7. This gives us 3 times remainder 5. 3 times, yes, 3 times 5 is 35. Okay, remainder 5. Add 0 to it and divide by 7. It gives us 7. For 7 times 7 is 49. Remainder 1. Add 0 and divide by 7. It gives you 1. Remainder 3. That is 30. Add 0 and divide by 3. Divide by 7, sorry. It gives you 4 times. Remainder 2. Add 0 and divide by 7. It brings us back to 2 times remainder 6. And when you add 0 and divide by 7, it gives you 8. So is a recurring decimal. So let's approximate it to 3 decimal places. So the percentage loss is said to be equal to 2.837%. So the seller made a loss of 2.837% after selling the article he bought for a 10 naira loss. Kindly like my videos as you watch. Well, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. Well, I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more exercises on application of percentages to real life situation.